Can you all view my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, very good evening once again. And as per my introduction, I've already told my name. My name is Maithili, your Excel batch trainer. I do have an industrial experience of working in MNC for almost 10 plus years. And currently, I am here to train you all in the advanced Excel topics. Okay. And before we actually start, I need introductions from each one of you, as in what's your name? Obviously, first your name, your current location, then are you working or not? Okay. And if you're working means how many years of experience and all. I just need to have a background of how you all are. Okay. So before I really before you all start with that, just give me a moment. I will show you something. Then you can few things that you all need to really understand and really follow. That is first one, the meeting link that you have utilized to, like, which you have used today to get connected to this class. That meeting link is going to be the same for the entire session, not this session I'm talking about. In fact, I'm talking about the whole course. Okay, from the first day to the last day, the meeting link is going to be the same. That's the first thing. Okay, remember, please. Anytime if you people are feeling that my voice is not audible, my screen is not visible, let me know, please. That's one thing. Okay, so meeting link, same. Second that I want to really share with you all is the drive, the Google Drive. This is the drive wherein I have kept all the course related topic, the documents I have kept it. Okay. So I'll just message it. Should I do it in WhatsApp?
Yes.
Yes, the chat will be done.
Yeah, so that you people can do. So what's your job is after the class, just access it and see it if you are able to open it. And yes, so opening viewing access is there for you all or not, just see to it. That's one thing. And every other day, even now you're seeing this particular session is getting recorded, right? So every other day we'll be recording our sessions, and the recordings will be given to you once it's like after the class is over. It takes some time to get saved to the cloud, and then I can share it with you all. We'll have a one recording link. Okay. That link also I'll provide, and onto the same recording link, you will find every other day's video and audio. Not video as in my screen, whatever the session, the recording has been there, that what you people are going to see there. Okay, so these three things, recording link also, once I share it with you, maybe tonight or tomorrow morning, whichever, whenever it gets saved onto our cloud, I will share it with you all. So recording link also, please check to it whether you are able to access it or not. Okay, so see, these three things, please remember, and meeting link is going to be the same for all the course days or all the course sessions. It's going to be the same. Okay, now you can carry on, but then I'm just going to open this same Google Drive. We have got this PPT now. I'm going to open up that. Anyway, you need not open it. I'll just do it at my end. So you people can start off with your introductions, please, one by one. As in your name, location, whether you're working or not. Okay. And if you're working, what's your years of experience? As in your background, basically, I want to know. In which field you're really working, I want to know that. Yeah, please go ahead, one by one. Yeah, Nisha
Hello,
Devi, you want to
everyone.
speak out now?
Yes, ma'am. Hello,
Tell me.
everyone.
Yeah.
Myself, Nisha Devi. I'm staying in Bangalore.
Hmm?
I'm currently not working.
That means you had been working. You're saying currently not working means you had been working.
No, sorry. No, this is the first time. I will check through this data only. I need to check the job.
I mean, that means that when did you pass out, ma?
2011.
2011. Okay, ma. Got it. Thank you. So, and what was your background? Like, which, I mean, what was your graduation, the one?
Yes, completed BE ECE.
BEC. Okay, ma. Okay.
Ah.
Is it the first course that you have joined with Besant, or prior you have joined any other, you have completed any other courses?
I have done SQL. This is my second.
Mhm.
Excel is the second one.
Okay, good enough. Thank you. So one more
Ah.
question added to rest of you, whether you this is your first one, have you completed any other? Yes, next one. Thank you, Nisha.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Deepika.
Yeah, Deepika, tell me, ma.
Yeah, I'm from Chennai.
Okay.
Currently, I'm seeking for a job for data analyst.
Okay, so is it your first job? Like,
No, before 1 year, I worked as a data analyst at Narayana Groups.
Nisha,
Yeah.
you are not there now?
No, no, I have 1 year of gap.
Acha, okay. And is it the first class, ma?
No, I completed all the class, Excel and Tableau.
Acha, okay.
Yeah,
Very good. Fine.
thank
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Next.
Hello, am I audible?
Hello. Yes, sir, very much.
I am Hessan. I completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering in 2025. I'm currently at Kochi. I am doing a job as full stack developer. I want to upskill myself.
Oh, super. Full stack developer. Okay, sir.
Yeah, I
So
want to
kind of 1 year
upskill myself.
experience, huh?
No. I'm just a fresher.
Okay, it's just started off. Okay.
Yeah, this is my first course at Besant.
Okay.
Okay,
Thanks, Heston. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Next one, please.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Akshaya.
Hello.
I'm from Chennai. I'm
Okay.
working in Wipro with 4 years of experience in production support. I
Okay.
have completed BE in 2021 and 21 passed out, and I
Oh,
completed
super.
SQL as well.
Acha. Okay. Nice, ma. Akshay. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Next one.
Hi, Divya here.
Yes.
I'm 2014 computer science graduate. I
Okay.
started my career as a computer faculty. I have nearly 3.5 years experience as a computer faculty. Now I am
Oh.
working as a real-time analyst in Sutherland Global Services, nearly 1.5 years. I want to move into the IT field. That's why I choose to learn data analytics course.
Acha. IT field is vast. Your data analysis is just a portion of it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank
Currently in Chennai, you
Hi.
told, right?
Yeah, I'm in Chennai.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
I did hear a male person's voice, if I'm not wrong, just before Divya started off.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Manoj.
Yes, please. Tell me, sir. Manoj.
I just completed BSc Computer Science, ma'am, in 2025 batch.
Pressure. Very good.
Yes,
College pass out. Just college pass out. Okay.
yes.
And you're currently in
I'm Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Manoj. Next one.
Hi, this is Nishandini here. I'm I'm from Krishnagiri. I have recently completed my postgraduate, ma'am. I'm a fresher.
2025, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
So
you,
two
ma'am.
Nishas we have, I guess. One is Nisha Devi, and is Nishantini.
Nishandini.
Achha, Nishantini. Yes. Okay, thank you. Harini, I
Thank you,
guess
ma'am.
you were about to speak. Tell me.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Myself, Harini from Bangalore.
Mhm.
Currently working in the banking sector as a cashier for 2.5 years.
Oh, okay.
I am a mathematics graduate.
Mm-hmm.
It's my third class. I have completed Python and SQL before this.
Okay, why from cashier to a bank to a data analyst? Just out of
Yes, ma'am.
curiosity, it's your own choice, but just curiosity is asking, Miss.
Just
I
wanted
just
to move into IT, ma'am. That is the reason.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma. Next one, please.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. I'm Harini. I'm from Vellore, ma'am. I recently completed my BSc in computer science, ma'am.
Okay, is it 2025 pass out?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine then. Thank you, ma. But two Harinis again. Two Nisha, two Harini. Okay, thank you. Next one, I guess the first page you all have completed. Yeah. Good lot of persons are there. Please get yourself introduced.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening.
One at a
Hello,
time.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Choose among them. Yes, sir. Arul Kumar, tell me.
My name is Arul Kumar. I am Krishnagiri district. I am
Okay.
2014 is a pass outing. My MCOM finishing, ma'am.
Oh, acha, okay. That means you're working now.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Working in school, ma'am. ERK school.
As a maths facility?
Interesting
Faculty?
in IT field. Yeah, faculty, ma'am.
Oh.
Teacher
which
faculty,
class
ma'am.
do you?
IT interesting. 10th, 12th, ma'am.
10
IT
and
field
12.
is interesting
Super.
and only coming, ma'am. 11 and 12, ma'am.
That's
Okay.
okay. Yeah, got it. Thank you. Thank you, Arul Kumar.
IT full interested and come.
That's okay. I understand. Chalo, nice only. Thank you. Yes, Zubeda, please.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. My name is Zubeda. I have completed my BSc Computer Science from Chennai Women's Christian College. In 2016, I completed, ma'am. Then I got placed also, but I didn't join because I got married. And now currently I'm in US and I'm thinking of starting my career from now after having kids. Yeah.
Okay. Story of every married woman. Okay, ma.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma. Next, please.
Hi, this is Harisha from Vellore. I am a recent graduate from BSc Computer Science.
Okay, that means fresher. College pass out.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma. Harisha, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, please.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, very good evening, ma.
Ma'am, I'm Kribahari from Bangalore. I'm MBA graduate with 1 year experience in banking. Now I have interested to move non-IT to IT, ma'am. And I have completed SQL in lesson, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Banking sector as in what you have been doing, ma? Cashier, loan section,
Both, ma'am. Both cash plus counter, ma'am. As a relationship manager. Both we have to do sales plus operations, ma'am.
Acha. Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Tell me.
So I'm Lingana Kumar from Dharmaburi district.
Okay.
I just completed a B in ECE.
Okay. That means fresher. Okay.
No, ma'am. 1 year, 24 washed out batch, ma'am.
Oh, so is it like you're looking for a first job or you're already working?
No, first job, ma'am.
Okay. So Excel is your first course from Besant, or you have already completed with few?
Excel is my first class.
Excel is your first class. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Next one. I can see Jasmine, Praveen Kumar, Pavitra, Surya Narayanan, Devadarshini, Heston is done. Divya also done. Can you all get yourself introduced? Thomas is there. Yeah, tell me. Pavitra.
Myself, hello.
Hello. Go ahead. I'm listening. You're Pavitra. Go ahead.
Myself, Pavitra, ma'am. I'm completed B in Kurpuri.
B in?
And I got a 1.5 year experience in non-IT. I want to change my career in non-IT to IT. So that's when I choose this data analyst course.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Pavitra. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Jasmine. You unmuted your mic. Tell me. If at all anyone's mic is not working, if you feel its mic is not working, you are very well to go and message me on the chat. You could do that very well, okay? So, Jasmine, is your mic not working? Can anyone hear her? Or am I the only person who's not able to hear her?
No, we cannot hear her.
Okay, that means Jasmine, I guess your mic is not working, ma. So just message your introduction over the chat. I'll read it for you. Okay, next one. Praveen Kumar, Surya Narayan, Thomas. Yes, sir. Is your mic also not working? Thomas, can you get yourself introduced, please?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
Myself, Surya Narayanan from Vellore. I completed my BSc Computer Science in 2022 batch, ma'am.
Okay.
I currently working in medical billing field, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Thank you, sir. Is the first Excel is your first, or you have completed any other course?
This is the first section in Besant, ma'am. Excel.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Surya.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
Jasmine, you're able to talk now? Your mic is working? If not, message please. Okay, bachelor degree BCA. Okay. Who is left off here? Devi, Divya. Divya, you're done, right? If I'm not wrong. Devadarshini, can you hear me, ma? Can you get yourself introduced? Praveen Kumar.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I'm Devadarshini. I'm from Viluppuram.
You're from? Viluppuram.
Viluppuram, ma'am.
Go ahead.
I have completed B.Tech Instrumentation and Control Engineering, 2025 first exam.
Okay, super. So Excel is first.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. Thank you, ma. Devadarshini. Jasmine, what's the case, ma? Praveen Kumar, can you hear me? I guess rest all of you done. I understood your mic is not working, so that's why asking you to message your introduction over the chat. Divya, are you done, ma? Divya MS?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Acha. Python, SQL, Tableau. Thomas is completed. Okay, sir. I guess rest all done. All of you done. Only Praveen Kumar, I don't know, maybe he is unable to hear us. Or what is the case? I have no. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I have completed Python and Power BI.
Who is that? Acha, okay,
Divya.
ma. Python and Power BI. Okay, ma. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Fine, ma. Counseling psychology. Oh. Acha. Nice, ma. So are you working now, Jasmine? Okay, let her write. Okay, special educator 9 years. Oh. Super. Ashwin, did you join late? Can you get yourself introduced, sir? If at all your mic is working, please go ahead. Otherwise, you can message over the chat. In that case, all of you done? Ashwin Kumar, it seems he logged off. Maybe logging in again. Anyway. Okay, ma. Thank you, Jasmine. Fine then. I'll just open up our PPT. We'll just know what we are going to learn. And why are we even learning? That's also needed to understand. No? So, my screen is all clear? I mean, you're able to view?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, welcome to the Excel training. Excel as in it's a part of our Microsoft package. Like whenever you are going to work in a institution or any organization, or even if you buy a personal laptop, you are going to be loaded with your latest Microsoft package, right? Latest version of your Microsoft package. So in that package, like Word, PowerPoint, your Access, OneNote, so many softwares come, right? So along with it, Excel also comes off. Excel is primarily for your numbers and manipulation. I'm saying primarily, but that doesn't mean Excel is not really going to support any other data types. Yes, you can deal with numbers. Numbers is the main we all want to talk about. Your text, dates, and all also we can deal with it. But Excel is nothing but a Microsoft product. It uses a grid structure, or let me say a spreadsheet structure, which is going to help us out to enter raw data, calculate and kind of organize, analyze, do some kind of calculations, and bring out some sort of insights as to what the data is actually trying to tell us. Okay. So, and yes, Excel is being used widely all around the world for performing any sort of like organizing the data, or maybe performing any sort of financial analysis. So when it's written over here, it's a powerful tool that allows users to organize, analyze, manipulate data using your spreadsheet. Main few common examples of Excel, let's find out. Yeah, data organization and calculation. Now, whenever you say, suppose, for example, we had in our Paralympics, or maybe the Olympics that happened last year, you could get the data from that website, the Olympics, the latest one, you could get it from your website and just want to analyze like which country did win the maximum number of medals, like inclusive all the three, gold, silver, and what's the third one? Gold, silver, and
Bronze.
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 Yes, bronze. So I might be really interested to know which country has won the maximum number of gold. Maybe overall, how many number of medals were really coming up from any country. Then we might even want to know which particular sport has really given us the maximum number of gold, or like what might be the average age of the participants in the event, how many number of participants were there, like how many events were even really happening, whether it was a summer Olympics or a winter Olympics. A lot of these basic analyzation, anyone we can do it. So when we are being given the data, when we are even like importing the data from that website, it might be that many of the data, the one which we are importing and we are getting it onto our Excel, it might not be correct. It might be incorrect at many times. And few of the data can be completely empty, like full spaces. Now, every other blank data or spaces, the data which is space need not be incorrect all the time. There could be some valid reason why it is empty. It could be there. Maybe some particular sport, from that particular country, there was no participation. Maybe that's the reason that particular column is empty. It could be there. And yes, I could, whatever the questions I did tell you, like from which country the maximum number of gold was there, or from which country the overall, all the three varieties together, how many medals were really got through, or which sport has really been on the forefront, like that. Few questions I can organize my data, and yes, I can calculate. I can apply calculations onto Excel to answer, to get the answer to these questions. Okay, yeah, given here examples is like tracking your financial data, budget and all. Yes, that's always there. But just to make it a bit interesting, I took some other topic like how could you analyze Olympics or your how medals and all. We could do that. Or maybe if we are giving some, we are getting some sort of e-commerce business is there, and the sales data has been given to us to analyze. First of all, I need to clean, maybe some irrelevant data is there, incorrect data is there, missing data. I need to check up for all of this, and then I can find out answers like which category of customers they are really kind of like you they suppose that particular e-commerce company, they have wide range of products. Now not every other product is going to be liked by every other age group, and also income group might be there. So based on income also, people are going to buy the products, consume the products. Similar way, every other age group is not going to buy every other product. Say mobiles, not very age old people, they are not going to be, yes, it's not that they are not going to use it, but more feature, more lots of like with all the camera, the range and all, every other feature that could be utilized with the camera, that could be of more interest to the lower age group, like a younger age group, right? So all this I can analyze. First, I need to organize and then I can analyze. Okay, that was an example. Yes, you can have an inventory one, then even any project also. How the, I mean, how many phases of a project are there? When it did start, any particular phase or task, when it start, when it's going to end, is it really on track? Are we having some delay or not? How many resources are being allocated to each and every phase? I can do good lot of things with Excel. Excel, it's something like you cannot live. I mean, you every other domain or every other industry, they need Excel anywhere and everywhere. Now, even the ones, a few of you told you, like people have been working with banking sectors. Definitely, you would have maybe, I don't know, cashiers are going to use it or not. But yes, even I'm sure cashiers are also going to use them. Anywhere you need Excel, even in doesn't matter if you're in IT or a non-IT domain, you are going to need Excel. Okay, now that's the first one. Second one, formulas and functions. Excel comes off with a very rich library of built-in functions, okay, which you could utilize for various calculations and manipulations. Just for example, think about if you are being asked to, like you have a sales data and you have been asked to find out the total sales value. Will you be doing it manually, like adding up, taking up the calculator, putting up each and every value and summing up? If you do that, it will be foolishness. Obviously, it's better that you are going to apply a function. Most basic function everyone knows in Excel is SUM. That's summing up the numerical values. You could utilize that. You might find an average. There's a function for it. So it has got a very rich library of built-in functions which you may utilize. Just that you need to have a knowledge. A bit of practice is needed so that you can utilize them, get in your answers very well. And yes, formula is also going to help you to reduce your like every other task we're going to keep on repeating. You could automate it with some sort of functions. You can do that. Okay. So formulas and functions, yes, Excel comes off with a very rich library. Next comes off with data analysis and interpretation. I gave you an example already, right? Like this Olympics data. I can find after I clean the data, I told you I want to find out which country has won the maximum number of gold. Or maybe overall, all the medals, like total medals, if I really consider coming to all the three categories, your gold, silver, and bronze, which country has really won them? And from which country maximum number of participation is there, which sport is really giving us the maximum like medalist and all. I can find out. That's what is analyzation. I am given a raw data. I want to find out answers to really understand what is the data actually trying to tell me. Maybe this USA or China, they are having the maximum gold. It could be there. Like if you analyze some 20 years of Olympics data, you will find out USA was almost around 8 to 10 times. More than that, they were really on the top. Next came off with China and all, they came up. So we are going to analyze data, and once we are really analyzing, we are going to put it onto charts, because charts, graphical representations speak more than any of the numbers. Now, if it comes to sales data, I would love to know what is the pattern of the sales. Like, is there any seasonality? Maybe is it on any particular month of the year, or maybe any during any particular quarter, the sales is really going up? Maybe due to the festive season. So just want to know the trend of my sales. What's the pattern of it? I can know with the help of a graph. There is a chart for each and every purpose available in Excel. Okay. So yes, I can use my raw data for my analyzation. After I do my calculation, I can put it onto graphical way, graphical format, nothing but charts. Yes, my pivot tables is also there. That's also a very powerful tool. And yes, you have your Excel sorting and filtering capabilities. That's going to really make you understand the data more efficiently. Okay. Now next comes your financial modeling and forecasting. Yes, I can use it for my financial, any kind of, say, simplest example, I say financial modeling is, you, if at all you are handling your own expenses, your personal expenses month after month, you may just enter your data as to where all you are spending, which are categories that you're really spending, and you may kind of understand. Say you are putting data for, say, suppose around 6 months, last 6 months you're putting the data. Now we are in August, maybe last 7, let me put it as from Jan to July. You may really, after you insert your data, like input your data, personal expenses and income data, you can really find out on month after month how much you're saving. Or maybe you can set up a target to understand, okay, maybe if I cut down on the expenses on this particular area, I could save more. Maybe the area where I'm spending, it's not required at all. I can really plan of how I can save it. Okay, that's the best way of doing it. Yes, in you can build in some kind of scenarios to understand how things are really going on. And investment opportunities you can find out. Maybe people who are interested in trading and all, you can really get in the day-to-day data. You can, I mean, you Yahoo Finance, you can import the data and just having a list of shares that are really available in your portfolio to really understand how it is changing with time, like it's really going high up or really high, or it's kind of a stable over some period of time. You may analyze that, or even you can analyze as to which particular stock I'm supposed to invest. Those are there. You can do that. There are functions for it in Excel. And yes, you can even forecast. Forecast, you can do it with help of charts. There are a few charts which will really help you off with the forecast. Okay. So Excel is really going to help you off with that. Project management. I did tell you sometime back, like project details also as to how many phases are there in a project, what's the start date, end date, how the each phase is really progressing. Is there any delay, or how many resources have been allocated to every phase of a project? I can know each and everything. And very common and chart is nothing but a Gantt chart. You could build in a Gantt chart. We do have it in our course to really track how the each phase is really progressing. Are we going for some delay or everything is fine? No, we can really know that. That's for your project management. Yes, next one, sixth one tells me as a goal seek analysis. Yeah, everyone has a goal, maybe on a personal level or on an organization level, or maybe just think of it as a bookstore. A simple example, bookstore. A bookstore owner will be thinking to get maximum profit out of his sales, right? So he has to strategize as to which section, like based on the demand, what based on the liking of the customers, the demographic idea of the customers. If he's really able to understand, he will come up with few strategies as to really maximize his profit. So his target or goal is nothing but to maximize his profit. And how is he going to really meet his particular target? By changing, like coming up with some permutation and combinations, or let me put in a more better word, as few strategies is going to come up, 2 to 3 strategies. He need to understand Excel. You do have a feature called this goal seek analysis. By that strategy, he can really analyze which strategy is going to be the best for him to get the maximum results. Data visualization. We have been talking charts, right? Oh, yes, obviously charts are much more appealing to the eyes. They give your insights, they give answers much more faster than any text data, like your table data, just a raw data given to you. And yes, you have a very important, very useful feature available in Excel called a conditional formatting, which will really help you out to highlight the specific points, like specific data points based on some conditions. Now, just to understand this data visualization, I'll ask you a very simple question. Whenever you are traveling, maybe you're seeing a hoarding on the roadside, where does your focus goes on to? Like to the writing, the slogan which is written over there, or to the photo of the person who is really is the endorsing that particular product? Which one your eyes go to first? Yes. Can anyone say? Where does your focus goes to first?
Photo.
Photo. Because colors, they react very fast to our eyes. So first you see the photo and then only your focus goes to your particular that slogan that's been written. The same logic, the same brain only. Visualization, my charts, I will be able to understand from charts much more faster than just a text, like a tabular data given to me. This tabular data, I need to really understand which are the important points, which are the high points, which are low points. I need to analyze. Okay, unless and until if I'm given some conditional formatting, okay, that's there. But yes, charts, they are in the forefront. Okay, next comes your user-friendly interface, like grid-based structure is, or grid-based layout is there in Excel. So if you open an Excel, empty Excel, you will understand. See here, this is your grid structure. Okay, you've got good lot of cells onto a single sheet. Anyway, this verbatims and all we'll start learning from tomorrow. But this is called a grid structure. It's very user friendly in sense that this particular grid structure is very helpful, or it makes our job easier enough for inputting our data, formatting anything, formatting our cells, formatting the data, customizing. In all levels, it's going to really help us out. Basic thing, entry. Many of the applications, entry of the data, if it's that itself is a big problematic one, then your rest of the steps are not going to be so much easy for you. But Excel, need not worry. Maybe I might tell you that it's user friendly tool now. Maybe because I am the trainer, don't think I'm the brand ambassador for it. But with usage, with your practice, you will really understand Excel is really user friendly. Okay, next comes your online access and collaborations. Now this Microsoft 365, which is your cloud-based version, it really helps you out to access your data, like access your Excel files from anywhere, even the collaboration, as in to say, sharing of your data, that also becomes very much easier with the Microsoft 365. Okay, that's what is given the second example, second point of here. Last of it is your building dashboards. Dashboards are nothing but a collection of charts onto a single worksheet or a sheet. And dashboard is going to really highlight on the key metrics. That's very important to the business. Those key metrics are going to tell me how my business is really running. Is it is it in a profitable mode or we are in a loss? It's going to tell me. And it's just going to even monitor, they are useful for monitoring your performance. KPIs is nothing but key performance indicators. Those indicators that are going to tell me how business is running. As simple as that. So dashboards, nothing but collection of charts. Now, why learn Excel? Now, you people have already given one particular answer. For almost everyone had given the same kind of answer. Either it's for a upgrade, skilling upgrade, upgrading your skill, or to get a better job opportunity. Right.
Hello.
That's what is even there in the last option given here. So yes, for my improved management, data management, like entry of the data and then cleaning and how to organize the data, it's very much really easier enough to handle. Even though there are many other BI tools that have come to the market, Excel will always be the mother of all those BI tools. You cannot really survive without that. Okay. Even though sometimes people have been building dashboards and reports in maybe Tableau or Power BI, people even at the maybe the customer person, he knows more Excel, he might feel more comfortable with Excel. So he might ask you the analyzation, he might tell me, why can't you give this in me in a pivot table? You can do that. Okay. There are people who really feel comfortable with that. And yes, better data analysis, clearer information with your data visualization. And yes, with your data entry and calculation, I told you earlier also, it's very easy. You don't have to really rack your head and all to that. It's really easy. And topics covered here. In fact, yeah, we even have a syllabus given into that drive. You may look onto it, but here I've just expanded, I've written it over here. Nothing but you have your tables and ranges. Now, if I try to explain all of this, it's first of all, you might not understand all of them. Everyone doesn't have an Excel background. You are just going to learn about it, right? So your tables, data validation, your conditional formatting, absolute referencing, then splitting of the data, that's your text to columns, pivot tables, pivot charts, data analysis. There are 4 types of data analysis. What are they? How is the process and all? You will learn. This will be the last topic of our course. And each and every topic, I have just mentioned the detailing of each and every, what all we'll be learning in that particular topic, like your tables and ranges, name ranges, data validation, then functions specific to your text data type, functions specific to your date, to your numerical ones, each and everything you will be learning. See, date formats, you need to learn, understand dates, how it's been dealt with in Excel. You will learn all of them. Every other calculation with respect to dates, you will be learning. Conditional formatting, which is nothing but highlighting. Highlighting means putting up colors. Formatting, highlighting, they mean the same. Putting up colors based on a condition. Maybe from that whole list of sales, whole list of sales, that's a particular sales column. I just want to highlight the top 3 sales. I can do that with the help of conditional formatting. I can do that. If I want to know how many duplicates are there in my data set, I can highlight that. So all of those really come up with my conditional formatting. It's a very important topic in Excel. Okay. Sorting, filtering, like sorting, like ascending, descending order, filtering out, maybe based on each and every department. I want to know the sales. I can do that. Miscellaneous topics as in aggregate functions, the functions that are going to be applicable only on numbers, your subtotals, okay, running total, pivot tables and also there, but pivot table will come a bit later. Get pivot data as part of pivot table. You have your different operators, offset, then your different aggregate functions. When I say nothing but sum, average and count, and their different variations. You even have your statistical functions, which is nothing but here last 5, mean, median, mode, standard deviation and variance. Famous lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and 2 more to come, which is index and match. Vertical lookup, horizontal lookup I'm talking about. For many of the ones, VLOOKUP is a kind of a nightmare only. Anyway, I don't know why. That's not so much difficult to learn. It's just a bit of practice is needed. Okay, pivot tables, charts. Charts you can insert using a pivot table, like from a pivot table you can insert a chart, or without the help of a pivot table, directly from my raw data also I can insert charts, because there are few charts which don't support pivot tables. Okay, so and few more that you are going to learn, all these are really mentioned here, different types of charts. Then yes, your goal seek, what if analysis, and kind of this consolidation, like when you are given data spread across different files, how will you really consolidate them into a single file and how you're going to work upon. That's your this multiple worksheets with same structure, creating a formula and summarizing the data. That's nothing but a consolidation. And for each of these topics, I'll be referring to that Google Drive, the each day's topic. I'll be telling you which Excel file I'm really referring to. I'll open, we'll discuss the topic. I'll even show you manually how to enter, how are you going to apply those features. Basically, hands-on, I'll be showing off for each and every topic. And yes, it's been recorded. Either you can revisit by my recording to understand more. And yes, for each and every topic, I'll be giving you assignments also, which you will be solving for your practice and all. And after all of this, towards the end, I will be like giving you a sample project, which you may include in your resume. And the last day, I'll be conducting the mock interview. Okay. And overall, 35 approximately, I'm keeping 35 classes. Only Monday to Friday, 8 to 9, 1 hour. So in a week, 5 hours. Okay, 5 days, 5 hours from 8 to 9. No weekend. Okay, only weekday, Monday to Friday. And I'm saying 35 weeks. Sorry, not weeks, sorry, 35 hours I'm really talking about. Okay, at least 35 sessions overall. Maybe here and there it might take here and there, 1 or 2 classes here and there it might take. But overall, I'll be requiring around 35 sessions. Any questions?
Yeah. In first of that, you're telling that Excel is linked with cloud something. Ninth point.
Microsoft 365 version. Microsoft 365 version is a cloud version.
Okay. Okay. I'm having no idea about it. Later we will see in the class or.
In version wise, I'm not really talking, Ma. I will go through the functions overall, how we are going to deal with. It's not based on version. Of course, I'm using my laptop when I bought. I got the installation of 2021 version. So I don't. If you all are having that, then fine. If you are having a lower version of Excel, also not an issue. You can really go ahead. You can just need to understand those concepts. That's more than enough. It doesn't matter which particular version you are working. Maybe, of course, with each and every version, new features are being added, new functions are being added. In fact, they are saying in the month now in August, right? By September 30 or something, we are reaching almost 40. From the day Excel was really introduced or started off, we have reached almost complete around 40 years. So with 40 years, almost good lot of versions of Excel have come up. You may use an older version also, not an issue at all. Never, not an issue at all.
Okay. Actually, I want to know what the use of Excel with the cloud.
Okay, one question.
Yeah.
Say suppose okay, you are going to work on your Excel, fine. Some data you're going to deal, you're going to work, whatever the job is being given, fine. What if you are being given a platform where you can share your details, like that particular workbook? You won't be like you have to share it with your person, like your either a colleague or your lead and all. You need to really follow up, right? So
Yeah.
you need to be sharing it with them, na? So it
Yeah.
is helping in that manner, no other thing.
Okay.
Okay. No other manner. No, that's what is there. And yes, Microsoft 365 will have more advanced functions of Excel. I don't have that version with me. I don't
Yeah.
have that version. In fact, it's not a free version for all time. It's like for 1 month, I guess it's free. Even if you go to go to Google, type in Microsoft 365, na? You have to, maybe it will ask you for registration and all. From the registration date, it will just give you 1 month free trial. After that, it's gone. After that, you have to pay for it.
Okay. Just like Power BI service.
Not exactly. I thought you'll ask this question. Good, you asked. Not really. Cloud-based what? You can really put in kind of an analogy like that, but you have a Power BI service, you have a specific account and all. Here also you will have account, you may upload it. Yes, maybe you can upload it to a OneDrive, you can put it onto a SharePoint portal. All of this, if you have a proper account, you can do that. You can do that.
Okay. Fine.
Basically, they say na for your sharing and collaboration.
Yeah.
That's the reason. That means you have completed Power BI. If you're asking for Power BI service, means you have completed Power BI.
Okay.
Did you complete one?
Yeah.
Did you only
I
complete?
completed only Excel and Tableau is there.
So you told me. Yeah, sorry, I
Yeah.
didn't remember. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, mom. That was nice. Any other?